Simplify. If you like our videos, then kindly subscribe to promote our channel. General Anatomy, lecture number 1. For the ease of study, we have given different body positions of our body certain names. Like this is an anatomical position in which a person is standing straight with eyes looking forward, arms by the side of the body, palms facing forward and both feet together. This is a supine position in which a person is lying on the back of his head, shoulder, elbow and buttocks. So his face, chest and abdomen are facing up while arms are by the side and both feet put together. This is a prone position in which a person is lying on his face, chest and abdomen. And this is the lithotomy position in which a person is lying on his back with legs up and feet supported in straps. This is the position used during the delivery of a baby. Our body is divided into different sections by imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are called planes. A line running through the center of the body and dividing the body into right and left equal halves is called the mid-sagittal plane or median plane. And the plane that runs parallel to the mid-sagittal plane is called the sagittal plane. A line running vertically from top to bottom and dividing the body into anterior meaning front part and posterior meaning back part is called the coronal or frontal plane. Frontal plane is at right angles to the sagittal and median plane, whereas a plane which divides the body into upper and lower halves is called the transverse or horizontal plane, and it is also at right angles to the sagittal and median plane as well as to the frontal or coronal plane. Terms. There are certain terms that are used in relation to the anatomical position of the body. Like here, anterior or ventral means front part of the body, dorsal or posterior means back part of the body. Medial means towards the median plane, like here, little finger of the right hand and of the left hand are present medially. Similarly, inner aspects of the thighs or legs are present medially. Whereas lateral means away from the median plane, like outer aspect of arm and outer aspect of thigh are present laterally. Here you can take the example of the hand. This is the ring finger and this is the middle finger. So the ring finger is present medially and middle finger is present laterally. But if you consider middle finger and thumb, then middle finger is present medially and thumb is present laterally. Proximal means nearest to the point of attachment to the limb or any other structure, whereas distal means furthest away from the point of attachment or origin. Proximal can be replaced with superior or cranial. Cranial means towards the head, and distal can be replaced with inferior or caudal, where caudal means towards the tail or away from the head. Here you can take the example of the arm. The hand is present distally and the arm is present proximally. But if you consider the hand only, then palm is present proximally and the fingers are present distally. Similarly, if you take the example of the trunk, then the chest is present superiorly or proximally and the abdomen is present distally or inferiorly. This is a cut section of an arm, for example. So anything which is towards the surface or skin is called superficial, and anything which is away from the surface or skin inside the body is called deep. Ipsilateral means two structures on the same side of the body, like the right arm and the right leg, whereas contralateral means two structures on the opposite side of the body, like the right arm and left leg. Invagination means projection of any structure towards the inside of the body. Like here, you can see that due to the punch, the skin has invaginated here and the skin has invaginated here. Invagination means projection of any body structure towards the outside of the body. Quick test. Pause the video and write down all the terms that you can see or describe from this anatomical position picture. Anterior or ventral, posterior or dorsal, medial, let me use the pen for highlight, medial, lateral, ipsilateral, contralateral, superior, inferior. What is this invagination? Name this position. It is a prone position. Name all these planes. Coronal or frontal plane, median or mid-sagittal plane, and transverse or horizontal plane. Name this position and when it is used. It is the lithotomy position and used in delivery of a baby. Choose all the correct statements. Index finger is medial to thumb. Thumb is medial to little finger. Outer aspect of thigh is the lateral most part. Big toe is the lateral most toe. Ring finger is medial to little finger. Middle finger is medial to index finger. Chest is superior to abdomen. Left leg and right arm are present ipsilaterally. Right ear and left arm are present contralaterally. And figure A is in the posterior position. Index finger is present medially to the thumb. Outer aspect of thigh is the lateral most part. Middle finger is medial to index finger. Chest is superior to abdomen. Right ear and left arm are present contralaterally. Thank you.